and welcome to Cheryl Ann's Art Studio. This is Cheryl, and I am going to do a couple of box openings on some stained glass that I bought through Amazon, and I'll put the links down below for anyone who wants to try and purchase what I've purchased. So the first box, which I just really opened the seal, I haven't seen anything yet, is the LITMIND 4x6 opaque and iridescent mix. So we'll just open this up and see what we get. So it comes nicely packaged, and look how nice and safe all the little panels are. And let's start pulling some of this out without cutting myself, of course. So we've got a iridescent white sheet. It's got hues of pinks and green, light like a lime minty green. This is more of a blue, baby blue, iridescent. And these are good for doing mosaics and small stained glass sun catchers, or, you know, just small work. This is a more of a crackled look on some of it. So of course, if you are going to purchase any of these items, mine will not look like yours. All stained glass is different, but you'll probably get something similar to the pieces that I'm getting. This is like a green hue to it. And this is a really darker green with a magenta. So they're very pretty. And this is like a gray with a little pink and blue in it. You mean your art one? So this is like a blue with pink and light blue and a darker, like a teal color in it. It's very pretty. Little seed pattern. And a yellow. This is a pink. So it gives you quite a little variety if you're starting out with stained glass and you're doing smaller work. This is a good option. And I'll put the price that I paid in the link below, down below in the description, so if you're interested. Nice red. And the black. There we go. Black, magenta, and gold. See my reflection. Okay, so that's box one. The next box that I'm going to open is the LITMIND Opaque Smooth. And there's 12 sheets, 4x6. And this is, again, I have not looked at any of this. So let's take a peek. A nice green, opaque with a streak pattern. Very pretty. Another green. This has got a water ripple effect to it. Very pretty. This is a seed, opaque. Nice orange seed pattern. So this will give you an idea on what you'll receive if you do buy them. Little seed pattern, texture, opaque red, kind of like a mixture of oranges and yellows. This is very pretty, streaky orange and yellow. There's a smooth texture with a little bit of seeding going on. And a blue. A little bit of seeding, not much, but some. Orange. And this is the red. And that's the back side. So that's box number 2. That was the LITMIND Opaque Smooth collection. And this one is part of a package that I got, I do believe. No, this is LITMIND Opaque Smooth again, different colors. This has got a seedy texture to it. This is pretty, very pale pink. Another green and blue mix. So this is also an Opaque Smooth collection. Blues and greens. And a pink. And a nice blue. Like a mossy green color. A vibrant green, mossy color. Like blues and like a navy blue, grays. And a cobalt blue color. A little dusty. Got a little bit of seed texturing going on. Okay, so fast forward. I will go to another box, but I have to go get it, so hold on. Okay, so fast forwarding. This is, I can't pronounce it, Buenoarte, Buenoarte. There's 12 sheets in here, and they're orange and pink mixes. And we're going to open this up and see what it looks like. This is from Amazon as well. Oh, we might need some scissors. So I finally was able to get it open, and here we go. And these sheets are a little bigger. And look at that color. Very pretty. Give me a little space to work here. Remember, these are pinks and oranges. About the same quality as the LITMIND. It's got the seeding pattern in it. Put these over here and stack them. Very pretty pink. Got a little flaw in there, but this is not expensive glass. This is, you know, good for people who are starting out, or you want to do small stuff like mosaics and stuff. Little seating. That's the back. You can see where they've floated the glass and then they smooth it out. It gets smoothed out on the top. It's like a root beer color. Look at this pretty yellow. Sunshiny yellow. And these are all mostly opaques. Nice vibrant orange. Like a rusted color. Very pretty pale yellow and darker yellow, streaky. And last but not least, this is very pretty. Orange and bright yellow streaks. So if you're getting started in stained glass, this is a good way to get a lot of different colors into your collection at a cheaper expense rather than buying the big sheets. If you're doing small work, it works well. As I can say, they're all probably about the same quality, and they'll be just fine for what I'd like to do. And we'll do another reveal in another video from Delphi Glass. I have another big, huge box from Delphi Glass, so stand by for another video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like it and subscribe if you want to see more of this. Thanks. Bye-bye.